It's very good job.
Quick, simple, and useful.
It is.
This will be a quick book rest. All from scratch. Basically, I have a 2x4. I'm going to cut a slight angle at them with the table saw, and this will be what the book rests on. So I'll slice that down, and this will be the stop at the bottom to keep the book from sliding down. So here we go with some noise. Now you'll see that the blade is not that high. I don't want it to be that high. There's a purpose for that, I think. And then this will be here.
Okay.
Pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Parts are parts, pieces are pieces. And you're on the dusty end. Go. Noise. Attached.
Okay.
Again, this simple, fast, something that we can use right away. This is 15 and 5/8. Okay, I think I'm going to attach the base.
Okay.
I'm thinking about attaching this here so that you have a clamping point.
And how you can hold this one to the table?
No, it just sits on the table. It does not.
Oh, okay.
So, let's see, I need a couple screws. All right.
Can carry to everywhere. It is beneficial.
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 Okay, we're done.
Let's see. I love it.
And we'll go and see how it fits.
Okay. Now we got it.
Take
And let's
this.
see how it works. Oh,
Take it
wow. It fit very well. Oh my gosh. Okay. See, let's see how it fit with the phone.
Well, with the
One,
phone,
we can fit like a 4 phone.
3 or 4, even an iPad.
See, wow. You can fit with 1, 2, 3, 4 phone.
4 phones
And
or an
also
iPad.
the phone on here, and you can put the book also. Look at that. How beneficial you make with the scrap, right? Very good job, very good job. It's very good job.
Thus you have light.
Wow.
I screwed a little piece of wood on the back for a clamping place for a light, and it clamps on the back so that phones don't go flying.
Okay. Ah, that.
I made it a little extra,
Uh-huh.
and this is so that this clamps onto here,
Okay.
and thus you have a light coming down.
Wow. When I put the phone here, and it helps a lot of because the light will help. See, I can put right here. Wow. And help my eye a lot. That is,
Quick, simple, and useful.
yes, it is.